Welcome to OpSource Cloud. A great powerful feature available for you at OpSource Cloud is the ability to create your own private networks. This video will walk you through some of the functions available for you on your network. To begin, deploying a network is as simple as giving it a name. Now in the background, OpSource is building a network context for you on our all Cisco network, setting up your own firewall and your own load balancer. Now that we have our own network deployed, let's look at some of the functions available to us. The screen gives us some basic information, what our private IP addresses are, as well as what our first block of public IP addresses are. Our network properties, everything can be edited from the name and the description. We can also enable multicast if our application requires it. Public IPs, you get a block. If you need more, you can simply request more with a click of a button or an API call. The firewall has lots of room for you to add all of your rules that you need. We give you 80 and 443 open by default, so you don't need to add those. But adding additional ports is as simple as filling in the form. And now we have port 25 open, so we can have an email server accepting mail on our network. Our load balancer has a very rich set of features available. To set up a load balancer, in this case we're going to use a Tomcat server on our network. Give it a name and pick the IP address from our list of servers deployed. And we're going to have this in service by default. Once we have a real server defined, we create a server farm. You can add one or more servers to your farm. Predictor, we offer at least connections and round robin for distributing load among the servers. You can pick the initial server for the port, as well as specify the exact port. For this example, as I said, Tomcat, which listens on 8080, and an initial probe, which is a TCP-based ping. Now that we have a server farm, we can go ahead and create the actual VIP. Again, give it a name, define the protocol, public IP address. It will simply go out and pick the next available one in our block. The port that we want port 80 on the public. The target is going to be the server farm that we just created. If you have other ones, they can show up. Status, we're going to put it in service as soon as we create it. So now we can test our VIP. And we see our Tomcat page is available. The last function we want to display is the NAT feature, where we can have a one-to-one mapping of a public IP to a private IP. All the ports on the public interface are mapped to the same ports on the private interface. So if you don't need a load balance farm for your application, you can simply use a NAT. And those are the features of OpSource Cloud Network. Thank you for watching.